Lisa with WTI. Looking for a charming and functional mug for everyday use? Look no further. These mugs crafted by Hunis are simply adorable. Each mug has its own unique charm with a glossy finish and a delightful gold accent. They're not just visually appealing as you can see, but they're also incredibly practical. I love using them for my tea, coffee, and broth, but they're big enough for you to use for cereal and oatmeal as well. The comfortable grip and large handle make them easy to hold, and the 15-ounce capacity ensures ample beverage. Plus, the wide opening simplifies cleaning. The packaging is also meticulously made to prevent any breakage during transit. In general, these cups have won my heart. They're aesthetically pleasing, functional, and very high quality, adding a touch of elegance to any kitchen. But that's just my point of view.